Alright, so for my project, we start here with the ball, and basically what you do is you just sit the ball here, you give it a little push, and we see that it accelerates down here to hit, and it goes off the roller, and it hits the note card, and then from the note card, curves around, goes up, builds to bigger objects until it reaches the Pringles can, and the Pringles can, I have a weighted ball in there to help make sure that it can fall properly and that it falls on top of the white cup. And then once it hits the white cup, it'll hit the ball will roll down here, it'll hit the box will change its trajectory to give it a light tap on that note card, which the note card will then cause a domino effect, causing these objects to fall until we get eventually to this object right here, which basically has one end with the quarter taped onto it to keep it side down. This box falls on top of that side, which then pushes the book that was right there where the laptop was. Basically helps push the book just enough to where it'll hit the AirPods, then it'll take the photo. And to kind of explain the physics behind it, we see that as the ball rolls down, gaining momentum, and it starts with maximum potential energy, and then we see that at the point here it'll hit its maximum, or it'll hit a high kinetic energy point, which then that kinetic energy will get transferred and eventually reach here. And we can see that as the note cards start falling, we see a buildup of momentum because the objects are working to fall faster and faster. And then we eventually get here where it kind of slows down until we get to here where the ball is weighted and it helps push it off. And then we get to there, and basically what happens is that we hit the Pringle box on top of the white cup, which then helps push it and causes a little bit of force that pushes it to the left and helps it roll. And then as this ball will roll down, accelerating with just enough speed and force to hit off this ball at the right angle and trajectory and hit this note card. And then this note card, even though it's small, it'll help push the bigger objects down, eventually getting to the big box, which then just has enough force and also is able to be, it also has the right height to fall on top and push the quarter up, which then hits the book, which then will hit the AirPods, which were on the laptop where the picture was.